Ever wondered what actually happens to your money after you deposit it into your bank account? If you're picturing a personal vault with your name on it where your cash just sits waiting for you, you might be surprised. That's actually not how it works at all. You deposit your money, the bank creates a digital record of it. This record says you have a certain amount of funds available, and you can access them whenever you need to, whether that's through an ATM, a debit card, or a transfer. But the physical cash, it goes on a little adventure. See, banks don't just store your money, they put it to work. They take the money deposited by you and many others and lend it out. These loans go to people buying homes, students paying for college, or entrepreneurs starting new businesses. In a way, your deposit is helping fuel the economy. Banks also invest a portion of these funds, usually in very safe assets, to grow their capital. This is how banks make money. They earn interest from the loans they give out and from their investments. Part of that earning comes back to you in the form of interest on your savings account. So how can they lend out your money, but also have it ready for you when you need it? It's all based on something called a reserve system. Banks are required to keep a certain percentage of all deposits on hand as cash. This is the reserve. The rest they can lend out. They can do this because they know that on any given day, not everyone is going to come in and demand all their money back at once. It's a carefully calculated balance. Of course, this brings up the question of safety. What if a lot of people do try to withdraw their money at the same time? This is called a bank run, and it happens when people lose trust in the bank. Thankfully, this is very rare because banks are heavily regulated by the government. In many countries, your deposits are insured up to a certain amount. This protection means that even if the bank fails, your money is safe. So in the end, your bank isn't a storage locker for your cash. It's more like a money manager. Keeps your funds secure, makes them available to you, and uses them to support economic growth, all while operating under a system of trust and strict regulation. It's a fascinating process that keeps our financial world turning. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content that makes complex topics simple. See you next time.